We experience some of our most intense moments through a TV screen. That big reveal in our favourite telenovela. That moment when the horror movie murderer pulls off his mask and shows himself. Or that deciding mark when our hometown team plays the finals. You wouldn't want this to happen to your clients, right? Right. Luckily, the Johansson Profiler Revolution optimises the quality of television images for millions of terrestrial TV viewers worldwide. This programmable filter amplifier receives, filters, amplifies, converts, and distributes even the weakest of terrestrial signals, and is compatible with all analog and digital terrestrial standards. Its filters are extremely sharp, which means your customers get to watch their TV favourites in outstanding quality. And you win as well, because the profile is mind-blowingly simple and easy to install, without the need for a field strength meter or external programmer. Discover the Profiler Revolution at unitrongroup.com. So you and your client can sit back, relax, and enjoy what's going on.